Cruise control is a nifty feature on the rise which maintains a set vehicle speed without pressing down the accelerator, but it's sadly not optimized for our complex Indian driving conditions. With the Tiguan's MQB platform, I wanted to do something special, and so I upgraded it to adaptive cruise control, which is much more relevant to our stressful driving conditions. Adaptive Cruise or ACC takes our Tiguan a step closer to autonomous driving. ACC uses a radar control unit to measure how far a vehicle or obstacle is, and accordingly lets us maintain a set speed by taking into account the distance of a vehicle in front of us when we are driving. Using ACC is really simple. Just hit the main switch, set a distance with respect to a target vehicle, and set a max speed, and let the car take care of matters from here. What this effectively means is that when ACC is on, you can rest your right foot and the car will accelerate and even apply the brakes automatically as required to balance your set parameters of distance and speed. The radar requires a special ceramic Volkswagen logo to allow object detection, and appearances can be deceptive since this is not the same logo as the older one. In fact, it is perfectly flat in nature. The Tiguan and T-Roc already come with this radar, but the radar needs to be adapted and the car needs to be coded online to enable adaptive cruise control. I've been using adaptive cruise for quite a while now, and it's been straight out of the future. It works flawlessly on our highways, both during the day and during the night as well. It can work up to a theoretical speed of 210 km per hour, a speed only truly feasible on the German autobahns. I also tried ACC at city speeds, and the only downside was the inability to detect speed breakers. Installing a radar also enables an emergency braking feature called front assist, which first gives a warning and subsequently automatically slows down the car if you fail to brake in time. Front assist and adaptive cruise control sensitivities can be individually tweaked from the head unit. In the Tiguan Allspace, ACC works in tandem with the lane assist camera in the windshield and allows one to drive with hands off the wheel, but that is something that I cannot do right now on this diesel Tiguan. Overall, ACC has been a very satisfying retrofit, and this is a feature which will surely become a lot more common in the few years to come. If you need help with retrofitting ACC on your MQB platform car, do subscribe and get in touch.